Hello guys, welcome back. So today guys, I will teach you how to play simple chord progression, which will use them in Seben, also use them in rhythm, whatever. It will help you. It is unlimited. It can work in every chord progression, no matter where you play it, whether it's C sharp, D sharp, E flat, B flat, whatever. Okay, so let's jump in. So what I want for you guys is your attention. And first, before I start the lesson, I would like to appreciate you guys for joining the family and also for listening and learning. Yeah, I appreciate you guys. So let's jump in. So guys, as we know, in the C chord progression we have C, D minor, E minor, F major, G major, A minor, B diminished, then C. Okay guys, so this is so easy guys. What I want you to understand, I want you to understand the concept. Don't do anything first, don't consider doing anything, just listen first, then you apply the concept after you have understand what I've told you. So guys, it is so easy. So what I need from you guys is your attention. You should like concentrate, give me your 100% attention guys. This is so important because it will work in every chord progression, no matter where you play it. It will work, always work, to be on point. So I don't want to waste more times, like talk too much. And if let's okay, let's start the lesson first. So as we know, our C chord is like this. Our D minor, like that one. Our E minor, our F, the same as this one. G, 6, A minor, then D diminished. Oh, I rarely use this. Back to one. So why am I choosing this concept? Why am I choosing this progression? Because I want you to understand, because east or west, home is the best. You guys came from this chord, also I came from this chord. So this chord progression, so it will be easier for you guys to understand, and the concept will be so much easy. What I want you guys to understand right now, you should understand the okay, why am I confusing myself? I don't know why am I nervous. Okay, so okay, let's go back to the lesson. So in this trick, it's like a trick and a concept. So you can play this same chord progression here all over the fretboard. You must understand the patterns are repeating themselves. This pattern are repeating themselves guys. Don't make it so complicated that it is so hard, I can't do it. You can do it, you can do it guys, you can do it, and it's so easy guys. So easy. So don't lose hope, like usikufe moyo, usichoke guys. No, you shouldn't. Just give yourself hope, be patient, do the practice make it perfect. Okay guys, so okay, this trick is like this. Let's identify our major scale. Our major scale, it is from the 8th fret. Sindio? 8. Our minor pentatonic is from this 5th fret. Yeah, okay. So if you know where your major scale and your minor pentatonic scale is, you're good to go. That's what you need to learn, the major scale and minor pentatonic scale. That will help you to play the same chords which I've played it from here to here, also here, all the way to down there. Okay, so we can do this. It's so easy guys. What I want you to understand is the concept only. So in the minor pentatonic scale, if you know this is 1, it's this one, that's C. So what I want you to do from the minor pentatonic scale, just put this finger on the 5th fret like that. That's your C chord, a C triad. So easy from the 5th fret. Okay, 5th fret. Then don't change that style of play. Put like that on the 5th fret. What you add the second finger on the second string like that. You're not skipping any fret. Don't skip any fret. Don't, yes, you're not skipping. Guys. Okay, you're not skipping any fret. Our second finger on the second string, then our third finger on the fourth string, like that. That's our D minor, the same as this one, guys. You see how easy it is. Now from the fifth fret, so umecheza your one, C without that, without the other fingers, then adding the fingers, it becomes the minor. Oops, sorry. It becomes the minor. So the minor, it comes from when you play it from the fifth string. Okay, ukicheza hivyo from the hivyo, hiyo ni C major. Then if you add this one, it becomes our D minor. You see how easy it is. Then slide your hands, yes, slide your hands, your fingers also, to the 7th fret. That's our E minor. You hear? It's the same. It is so easy. E minor. Then you will, now we are not going to use the bar chord. We will go back from the 5th fret without using the bar chord. Now this note, we are interested in this note. That's our, that note, which is a C note. So you'll just add the same fingers in the same spot. Yes, the same finger in the same spot. It forms the 4th, which is an F chord. Wow. See, it is easy. Now slide your hands. That's a G. The same G. Okay, then back to 1. So 1, you play like this. If you are very careful, and if you listen to my video of how to start how to start 7, you'll realize I just used this shape. We will go there. So back to 1. Yeah. So what you should understand first, your major scale. Wherever your major scale is, your minor pentatonic is there. Yes, you just go back to, you just decrease with 3 frets, going back. Just from 8, count 1, 2, 3, go. Then you play your minor pentatonic scale, major, and that's good to go. It's only that. But these 2 chords which I haven't shown you, the 6, our E minor. Our E minor, it is the same spot. Imagine you're playing it from the same spot. You're not changing any place. It's just there. So what you will do, it is a bar chord, but we won't play it fully. It is a fully. So what we are interested in playing this 6, we are interested with these 3 strings. So you just play this, itashika hizo strings zote, then here to the 4th string. Okay guys, so that's our E minor. A minor. Wow. From the 5th fret. Wow. You see how sweet it is. That's our E minor. Okay. For the minor pentatonic scale. Yeah, E minor is there. E minor is here. Then the diminished. The diminished is so easy. What you'll consider playing a bar chord, then here, Wow. So a bar chord, yes, it's like you're playing a B flat, but you're not playing it. So you play like this, a bar chord, then add your finger Don't skip any fret. Add your finger below, like you're decreasing, like you're going down to 1. You're good to go, guys. You're good to go. If you've learned that, imagine applying this system to every chord. It works 100%. It has never failed me. Why am I showing this? So that you'll be comfortable wherever you play. uh, so that you'll be comfortable. The reason why I wrote this, because it was for my own benefit. So that's why I I, I've shared to you guys that you should also know this. It is easy for you guys, so that whenever you play Seben, when you want to apply a chord progression, something like that, a note play, you can accomplish it with a chord and a notes. It will be so enjoyable and sweet. So why did I choose to teach you all that? So that you understand where it came from, how and where to play it, how to play it, where to play it. Yeah, it will be so easier for you guys. You won't like struggle anymore. No more struggles in this year. No more struggles. So as we know, in the C chord progression, we have a C chord, which is a C major, D minor, E minor, F major, G major, A minor, B diminished, then back to C. Yes. So let's learn. So here, like we will tell like I will call this with inversions. This is our first inversion, our foundation. Yeah, our home structure, our first inversion. Then our second version is this one from the 5th fret. Adding this, yeah, our second inversion. Now let's go to our third inversion. Yes. So our third inversion, it is from the 8th fret, 8th fret, 9, like you're climbing a hill, not skipping any fret. Wow, so easy, guys, so easy. That's our 1. It's our C chord. 1, our 2. So it's like we're playing our A minor, the same way we played our A minor, same level. So you'll do that on the which fret is this now? 11th fret. 11th fret. That's our 2, D minor, like this. D minor, slide your hands, E minor. Wow. Then go back. Now put in a backward structure. So from 8, 9, 10. 10, a backward in the 10th fret. That's our 4. F. Then to our 5th, a G chord. 1. Then 1. So 1 will use the same shape which we were using here. Wow, so easy, guys. We're good to go. There's nothing else. Yes. What you need to do now is what you should implement now. It is the practice. You should now take your guitar and jam in. That's all. So easy, guys. It was so easy. So thank you guys for joining in, for being part of my family. Thank you guys. Make sure you stay tuned. Whenever I post a video, make sure you get a notification. Yes, it will help you. And what I want you to share in this channel is, I won't focus only on Seben. I'll also help you guys on how to play worship song. I will track songs, yes, gospel songs. I will show you how to use the major pentatonic scale, the minor pentatonic scale, the modes. Yes, how to play, how to improvise, all those you'll find them in this channel, guys. So just remember to stay tuned, guys. Remember to stay tuned. Whenever I post a video, just get a notification, guys. Yes, I believe you have gained something. I believe you haven't gone empty handed. Yes, and you are blessed also. Thank you guys for tuning in, for joining my channel. Thank you guys for being part of my family. This is our family, guys. So don't don't like feel like everything is hard. No, it isn't hard. What you need is patience, hard work, and pray. Don't forget God. Yes, so remember this chord progression works in every chord progression. It works in C sharp, C, D sharp, E flat, B flat, G sharp, everywhere it works, guys. It works 100%. It works. So remember just to stay tuned, guys. Don't let any lesson pass you, because this is so beneficial to you. I believe it is so beneficial to you, guys. Yes. So what you should know that the shapes are repeating themselves, so the same structure which you use here, also the major scale is found here. So major scale iko hapa bado pia. So remember, it is like it functions in every part. Inajirudia, it repeats itself, guys. So it's not hard. Yes, so thank you so much. Thank you so much. Remember, if you don't know how to start Seben, you can watch my video how to start Seben. You can learn from there. That was our first lesson. This is our second lesson. Now our third lesson, it will be our practical lesson. Our practical lesson, guys. It will be a practical lesson. So we will use this chord progression to play Seben. From this chord we will use them to play a Seben song. So it will be a practical. So remember just to stay tuned, so that you see how beneficial it is to you. Yes, I know it is beneficial to you, guys. So remember to stay tuned, and also share it to your friends, to anyone who wants to know Seben, or to anyone who wants to know the guitar. Yeah. So bye bye, guys. See you next time. Hopefully I know you have enjoyed this lesson. Bye. Woo.